Instapage versus Unbounce. Which one is the best landing page software? If you're trying to decide between these two popular tools, you've probably noticed they both have great features, but also come with some drawbacks. I spent time testing both of them, and I'll break it down for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the better choice for you, and I'll even share an alternative that could potentially save you time and money. Let's start with Instapage. One of its most praised features is the ease of use. The drag and drop editor is intuitive, so even beginners can create high-converting landing pages quickly. It also has a ton of templates, so you don't have to start from scratch, making it great for anyone looking to get something live fast. But while it is user-friendly, it does come with a higher price tag, especially when you want access to advanced features. Next thing, let's talk about Unbounce. Unbounce has a reputation for offering more flexibility and customization. You get access to more advanced tools like pop-ups, sticky bars, and A/B testing, which can make a big difference if you're focused on optimizing your landing pages for conversions. The drag and drop builder is also easy to use, but it does have a bit of a learning curve compared to Instapage. The flexibility is definitely there, but it's not quite as beginner-friendly. The third thing we need to discuss is integrations. Both platforms support a wide range of integrations, but Unbounce edges out Instapage in terms of its integration options with CRM tools, email marketing software, and other third-party apps. If you're looking for a tool that easily integrates with your existing tech stack, Unbounce might be the way to go. Next thing, let's compare performance. Instapage has really good load speeds and is optimized for high-conversion landing pages. However, Unbounce does offer more control over performance, particularly with its custom JavaScript and CSS options. This is a huge plus if you're someone who needs more control over how your landing pages function and perform. Now, let's talk pricing. Instapage's pricing starts higher, and it can get quite expensive, especially if you need advanced features like collaboration tools and A/B testing. On the other hand, Unbounce offers more pricing tiers, and its mid-level plans provide a solid mix of features at a more reasonable price. While Unbounce isn't cheap, it offers more value at lower pricing tiers, which makes it appealing if you're on a budget but still need powerful features. The fifth thing, customer support. Both platforms offer good customer service, but I found Unbounce support to be a bit more responsive. Instapage has a solid support team, but Unbounce just seemed to have a faster turnaround for my questions. That's a small win for Unbounce in my book, especially when you're paying for these tools and expect quick resolutions. So, both Instapage and Unbounce are great landing page software, but if I had to pick one, I'd lean towards Unbounce because of its flexibility, pricing, and customer support. That said, both tools are solid choices depending on your specific needs. However, after testing both, I've found a better alternative that could work even better for many of you. If you're looking for something that has the best of both worlds, great features, flexibility, and a better price, I recommend checking out the link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get exclusive access to the best free trial and benefits that you won't find anywhere else.